Yes, today we have the newspaper of 20th June 2024. The first news is about Hall's talks with Dalai Lama, US lawmaker tell China. There is a recent delegation of Chinese statements and lawmaker in Dalai Lama to have a visit, to have a communication with Dalai Lama. There is a indirect message to the China. If China advance in the South China Sea or engage with Taiwan or Philippines, the US has the option to explore the rift of Dalai Lama. Earlier, the Tibetan and the Tibetan at Tibetan hold of China is not recognized by the US lawmakers, and in that issue they took an advanced way and clearly say that the US is have no historical relation with the Taiwan, with the Dalai Lama, and they not let any interference of China into the successor of Dalai Lama. Earlier, Dalai Lama has predicted that the next successor will come from India, and if the next successor come from India, the people of following Dalai Lama, which live in the China's Tibet or autonomous region of Tibet or whole Tibet, will automatically have some inclinations toward that, and that kind of inclinations are very much dangerous for the Chinese authorities. That's why China want direct control of succession of Dalai Lama. Next news is about Next news is UGNet cancel over irregularities CBI probe order. Union cabinet give go ahead to increase MSP of 14 crops. Both train were on same track. Gateman had informed station. More than 2 lakh students registered for UG course in Diu. Delhi government directed hospitals to ramp up facilities amid a spike in heat-related deaths. We will sit on fence if PM does not resolve water crisis. Athisi, 54% of water supply getting wasted. BJP. Remaining 158 tourists evacuated in North Sikkim. 9 dead in Tamil Nadu after consuming spurious liquor. 6-year delay in surgery. NHRC issue notice to AIMS. Hope my son will be fine, say Bihar man. Haryana Congress is divided house over ex-minister's daughter joining BJP. Congress MP Kumari Selja termed Kiran Chaudhary move a loss to the party. State President Uday Bahan close confidence of Bhupender Singh Hooda say her departure will make no difference. Reject TN panel advice on caste-related variables. BJP central team visit to Bengal bring fractionalism in state unit to the fore. Excise policy order on Kejriwal's bail plea likely today. Children's with burn wound rescue from MP distillery. With Priyanka's entry, CPI and BJP face tough choice in Wayanad bypoll. Kerala CM write to PM our no node for Kuwait visit. We will never go with those who try to finish off Sena UBT. A torrid crisis. A prolonged summer should be classified as a natural disaster. North India has been bearing the brunt of longest stretch of heat wave in last 15 years. The minimum day temperature in some states are consistently remained above 45 degrees Celsius, and those in relatively cooler ones at least 3 to 6 degrees above what is usual for this time of the year. Even night temperatures have consistently been 3 to 6 above normal, a consequence of near absence of moisture and rain. To add this, the monsoon has been sluggish after an early start. The monsoon has stalled since June 12 and is stuck in central India. Before its onset over Kerala, the India's meteorological department had forecast the rainfall in June over India to be normal. It has now updated the estimate to be below normal or a quantitative term a minimum 8% shortfall over the month expected quantum of 16.69. This update, however, is just not useful as it does not give an insight into the progress of the monsoon. The normal dates of the monsoon arrival over the northwestern and northern state are those spanning the June 25 or July 1st time frame. Whether the monsoon's current hiatus will push these days even further remain to be seen. A prolonged hiatus could mean an even greater load on the infrastructure in these states. In short, this editorial is talk about the heat wave and the monsoon or the load on infrastructure or electricity. Move on to the next article. Cast away efforts to end caste discrimination should do more than hide caste identity. Blueprint beyond borders for solace and shelter. On 20th June 2024, we celebrate World Yoga Day, a story for displacement to one of empowerment. The founder organizations for Alam Refugee Rehabilitations and Attorney at Law in Sri Lanka, S.C. Chandra Hassan. As India has witnessed of many countries' refugees, whether of 1947 Sri Lanka or refugee of Bangladesh 1971 war, recent refugee of Myanmar or the refugee of Sri Lankan Tamil. We need to think, make policy in accordance with the situations to keeping the national security in mind regarding the refugee. Although we also take priorities to the soft image of India as a goodwill nation, and second, keeping the humanity as an paramount while making laws. Invisible suffering of Rohingyas refugee. Disease with the higher burden in Asia and Africa lack research funding. On Hindu Kush Himalayas snow update. In the Hindu Kush Himalayas, that is the called as the water storage and water glacier of Asia, which has give water to the various river like Indus, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Helmand, and Mekong, Yellow River. These are the river that get water from the Hindu Kush, and now there is a irregularity in the snow update. The landscape of Delhi is richly textured because of its garden and their stories. Manipur conflict a law and order problem, say Oraon. Railway to fill 18,799 vacancies for assistant loco pilot in 16 zones. I have a question for all of you, that which zone is the headquarter of this Indian Railway institution? Mahayukti CM face not decided. BJP state chief. India I breakthrough against sickle cell. 2 militants killed in Jammu Kashmir gunfight. Men held over Rahisi attack. The militants were engaged in a battle with security forces in Hadipora of North Kashmir, Sopora. PM inaugurated Nalanda University campus in Bihar. Hamare Barha get nod for release after delivering some scenes. Need to be asked if decline in inequality is a good thing. Dabroy. SBI Khara pitch for tax relief on interest income in budget. Vodafone sale 18% in the Indus Tower for 1.8 billions. Pump price disparity fuel demand for bringing petrol diesel under GST. Tata AIA life insurance declare 1,465 crore bonus. JF Group sells 7.5 stake on JF CVCS to raise liquidity. Security risks. It cost won't impede AI progress. Net app. South Africa Ramaphosa sworn in as for second full term as president. Myanmar authorities arrest 22 for making Suu Kyi birthday. Iran Revolutionary Guard declared terrorist group by Canada. Philippine VP Sarah Duterte quit cabinet ahead of midterm election. Israel use of heavy bombs in Gaza, violation of laws of war. Ship attacked by Yemen Houthis sink in Red Sea. German ease into the last 16, Albanian dent Croatia's chance. Climate activists vandalize Stonehenge movement. 9 killed, 40 injured in explosion at Chad ammunition depot. This is the sports news. You read about it. That's from my side, friend. Jai Hind.